Hi guys, in this video we are going to create another splash page, but here we are going to use some kind of package, and we are going to use the package name as animated text kit. You will see in the video. In this we will create one splash page, okay, and there will be some text animation will be coming before the starting of the app. Okay, so let's go to the video and let's enter the coding. Let's go to this here, and I come over here. Next, create the simple animated splash. Okay, and you can put that animated and just click on create. Now while it's creating, we can understand like one animation we are going to do, and like you can put your logo of your company or something else, anything you would like to show to the people while the application is being loaded. In the previous video we have seen that about some logo we can put here, we can put some animation also, even you can combine both as well. So while it is creating the Flutter package, or means creating the application, at that time we can see that. Okay, so now it has already been loaded, and before going ahead, what I will do, I will show you how does it actually look. So I'll have another one here. You can see that your animated text. So like this our application will be working. Okay, so let's go to our application and starting over here. Once this project is created, then we will use animated text kit here, and then with the help of animated text kit we will create the same kind of application. Okay, so once it is loaded, scanning the files. In coming videos I will creating the project in the starting, so it will save us that time as well. Okay, and let me hide this one, close it, and let's go to the pubsec.yml, where we are going to put the package name first. Okay, so if you remember where you're going to put it here, so dev dependencies, put it here back, and okay, there can be a lot of kind of you can various kind of applications you can make it with the help of this splash pages, but make sure you do have a splash page in your application, because it's a good practice and it makes the appearance of your logo as well. Okay, so let's go to the project section, select as a project, and go here, and then we are going to put our animated underscore text underscore kit, and we will use the version 4.2.2. okay, this version is the latest one, so we'll use this one, and then we are going to build this. So while we getting it, we have to click on pub-get, so that the definitions and everything will be coming over here. So it's already done. We go to the main, and what we're gonna do is we are going to delete all, means like whatever the requirement is there first, like is my app it is showing. So instead of going so much deep in that, I'll just delete everything else here not needed. Okay, and in the my app we are going to put as a class, and we can just put it as a my app also, as it is coming as a default only. So we can put it as a my app, and extends stateless widget. We can put it stateful also, but it's not required here, so we just put it like this only, and then we are going to put it as an override, and then we are going to put this will actually call your application. So is after the main method, we are going to just put it as a build context text, and then you can put it over here, return material app, and put a semicolon, close it, and here we are going to put as a home, and then we can just put it as a splash screen. Okay, and we will see that there is a comma. Okay, we are going to put it as a here stateless widget. So get dependencies, we can do that. are going to put as a class. Okay, what class? Splash screen. Once you put the splash screen here, then it's our class is created and extends, and then stateless reject because it's not having activity, so I just put it as like that only, and then put. Okay, now we can just take it as a, this is a whole section. It will help us to save some time. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to create one. Instead of returning material app, what we are going to do is we are going to create a scaffold. Okay, so scaffold. Okay, and then this scaffold we are going to close it, and then in scaffold we are going to put some background color in case we want to put it. So background color colon colors dot red in case you want to put any other color, and then we are going to have as a body, and in the body we just put it as a center so that our animated text to be coming into between. Okay, now in the center we will have one child because this center will have things to child, so we put it as a column. Okay, in the column again the bracket, and in the column we will put as a main axis alignment. Main axis alignment, the job of it to keep everything into the center. Okay, it depends upon that. So main axis alignment dot center. Okay, after doing this thing to be in the center, it will have some children because we are using column, so column will have a lot of children. So whenever you are using multiple widgets you have to put, you can always use the column. Okay, so we have to use the square bracket for here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to use our main work. Okay, so typer animated text kit. Okay, and then we are going to close this. Okay, now if in case if it is giving you error, so it will be asking you because we haven't imported any method or something of it, because the definition of it, it's not there. Okay, so we can just put it over here. It's not required the constant here. Okay, we are going to import our package, and if you do not know where is the package, so what we can do is we can see our package details, so we can simply see what exactly it is. Just copy paste here in case you have other packages also, in case what I have searched it here. So a simple animated kit, text kit here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install it, and then once we install it, this is the kit we are going to copy. Just copy paste and then go to the main section and then simply install it. Okay, so now once you have done it, then it will give you the definition about it, add requirement text. So we will do that ahead. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we put it as a speed. Okay, whatever the speed we want to put it as a duration. Okay, and in the duration we have this milliseconds. We are going to put milliseconds like 200 or 200 milliseconds, and then put as a comma, and now is repeating. Is repeating means, do you want to repeat this animation? No, we are not going to repeat the animation because we are redirecting to another page. Okay, repeating animation. You can do that as well, making that something to be flashy in case of you don't want to use it here. Then at that time you can use some other place. Okay, so text, see the text is coming here, so I'll put it my animated text. Okay, so after that we can make it some style, so text style. Okay, and with the text style what we can do is make it something look more better. So text style, and I'm going to put it as a like a font size. I want to put it big so that it's visible, and then go to the next section, font weight, make it want to bold, all the data is coming. Okay, and then color, now we are using the background color as a red, so we can use it here, colors dot white. Okay, now we can simply close it. Now once these things are done, we can just simply, you can click on this and it will run, and it will give you the same output as you have seen just now in this animated, your animated text. Your text will be my animated text. So see you guys in another video.